Welcome to our beginner-friendly guide on Salesforce Development. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, these best practices will set you on the path to success. Let's dive in. First up, coding standards and naming conventions. Why does this matter? Clear, consistent code makes your work easier to read, debug, and maintain, not just for you, but for your team as well. Always use descriptive names for classes, methods, and variables. For example, instead of naming a variable X, call it opportunity revenue. It tells you exactly what it represents. Keep your code clean and organized. Follow Salesforce's Apex coding standards, use consistent indentation, and remember comments are your best friends. Debugging and troubleshooting are essential skills. Start by using the Developer Console in Salesforce to monitor logs and debug your Apex code. Logs give you insights into what went wrong. Use them to trace errors and understand the flow of your code. Pro tip: insert statements in your code to print out key values during execution. But don't forget to remove unnecessary debug logs before deploying to production. Finally, testing. In Salesforce, unit tests aren't optional, they're a must. Testing ensures your code works as expected and doesn't break existing functionality. Write test classes that cover at least 75% of your code, but don't just aim for coverage. Focus on creating meaningful test cases. Use assertions to validate your logic. Thorough testing builds confidence in your code and makes deployment seamless. It's the backbone of reliable development. Remember, great code isn't just about solving problems. It's about writing clean, maintainable, and well-tested solutions. Follow these best practices, and you'll be on your way to becoming a Salesforce pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Salesforce tips. See you in the next video.